say kiss me more. Hi. Okay, so you already saw what happened in April. At least not I won't really call it a vlog, but it's just like a collection of videos of what happened, of what kind of happened in April from my birthday, because my birthday was 1st of April. Shout out to those who wished me. I think that was the last time I actually produced a vlog. So yeah, that is that for that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go and watch the previous video. I'll leave the link on the screen so that you can go and see it. So moving on, what's the update? So the update is I've been having this mental discussion with myself if I'm staying back in Abuja or going back to Lagos. That was part of the things I was trying to figure out. I'm still in the process of figuring it out, but I think I have 30% or 40% under control. So, you know, Abuja, Lagos, you all know I'm a Lagos child. But as of last year, I kind of moved to Abuja because of NYSC. So now we're trying to know, do we stay back or do we go back to Lagos? Now, of course, I was weighing my pros and cons, and there's a high probability I'll be staying back in Abuja. So I'm sorry to those who thought I was coming back, but yeah, it's actually a very difficult decision, because to be honest, the reasons why I wanted to go back to Lagos was because of opportunities in terms of work. But to be honest, Nigeria is very annoying. Nigeria is just a mess everywhere. So I think I considered that most, and I realized that it's not easy anywhere. It's really not easy in Lagos, in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, in wherever I want to go to. And one of the most deciding factor was I felt like I haven't given my all in the, like I haven't gotten to the point where I'll say, oh, I've done it all, I can now move forward. I kept having this serious feeling in my gut that I have a lot of things I want to do here before I maybe decide to to go to the next step. So I just feel like this is not the time. And again, I just don't think Eko's stress, Eko ni budget, stress in Eko is a lot, and I don't think I'm mentally, physically, financially, spiritually prepared for that. So yeah, there's that. So of course, I'm actually very scared of staying back in Abuja, because honestly, I do not have people here. My friend, shout out to Jovita and Chukuma, because you're going to be watching this. Thank you for leaving me alone in this state. Thank you. Let's take a 5 seconds break to mourn their loss. Because I've disowned them. I now have to go out of my comfort zone to actually step out, meet people, put myself in positions, in places where I can meet new people, network, things like that, which is good, but it's also not an easy thing. It's easier said than done, you all know that. So yeah, that is the update. So the second thing is I'm actually packing out. Oh Lord. I never knew adulting was this hard till I started living alone. Till I actually stayed in this Abuja for 1 year, and I've realized that adulting is hard. Meanwhile, if you haven't seen the video where I advise you on things you should look out for before you decide to move out of your parents' house, please go and see that video. I'm going to leave the link again on the screen somewhere, so that you can actually see. I shared some tips that I have gathered from my own experience. Okay, this is literally why people don't want to have kids. Anyways, I am moving out of my current place, and looking for a new place is not easy. Looking for a place that suits your taste, suits your budget, suits your location. These 3 things, very hard. I think you can't even find 3 in 1 at the same time. Or maybe you can, depending on what your budget is. So yeah, it's been a troubled time. I've been really troubled and worried, but I don't want to live under the bridge. So yeah, I finally found a place. I'm going to take you guys there and just take you along the journey. The thing about the place now is that they are actually still under construction. So but I've seen the place, the room I want to take. so they're actually just trying to set the place up, and they're trying to finish up everything in the building. So I and who doesn't like new house? So my eye is really stuck in that house because it's new, and of course I want to be the first person to get in there. I'm hoping that things work out the way I want it to, fingers crossed. At the same time, I'm actually still working out jobs and trying to know what I'm going to do about that, and just looking for other ways to make some money, putting yours, learning new skills, just a couple of other things, and still surviving. I feel like I'm going to start a series called Living in Your 20s in Nigeria, and I'm going to be using myself as a case study. If you want to see that, drop a comment so that I'll know if I should actually go start producing that. So yeah, that is where we are. That is like the update. Right now I'm going to a games night with my friend Tovia. So I don't know, let's just see how it goes. I'm not putting myself out there. I feel very shy. I'm very scared. Oh my god, the shy girl has to go a little bit. Don't mind me, I feel like I said too much and maybe I'm forgetting something right now, but if I remember anything that is happening, I would definitely keep you guys on track. Yeah, that is it. I'll be loving my new hair though. This hair is bringing out all my face. All the Igbo-ness in me is out because of this hair. But I like it though. What do you guys think?
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, I would have taken you guys along while I was eating and making all of that, but I'm actually very late. I'm supposed to go for this interview like type of meeting right now, and I'm actually late, so I just had to go off camera for you all. So
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
hey y'all, good morning. I couldn't take you guys along the whole process because I'm actually running late. Actually just finished tidying up the house and I'm actually headed to work right now. I want to drop my duvet, bed sheets, all of that at the laundry, and then head out to work, then come back. I think I want to actually lose my hair, wash my hair, and then yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm actually going to make a video for a fashion store, so like reels, do you understand? So yeah, that's the update. I would take you guys along. Hopefully, if I don't, I'll just you guys about it. And I'm running late again, so I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.